Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add non-Steam games to Steam. As you can see, this is my Steam account, and from here we need to go to the library. Now after you open your library, these are the games that you have that are related to Steam. What you will need to do is to click here on the bottom left corner and click on add a game. Now click on add a non-Steam game, and here they will give you all the games on software that you have that are not included within Steam. So in my case, for example, I would like to launch Hogwarts Legacy. I can simply click on it and click on add selected programs. Now, what if the game is not really in this area and I couldn't find it? You can either search for it here in case you have missed it, or simply go ahead and click on browse, and from here go and search for the game and locate it where it is. It could be in a different driver or whatever, so make sure to locate it and select it. In my case, as I said, I want, for example, the Hogwarts Legacy, so I can go here and select it, add selected programs, and from there I can simply click on it, and I can literally play within the space, like add nodes. I can click here and add a custom background and logo, and change whatever you want. Now, if I want to simply play it, I can simply click on play, and this should launch the game for me. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.